Hi friends, in this class we see the questions which have been asked in 2008 Trb EEE department in control system subject. Already I put a first part, this is second part. A unity feedback control system as a forward path transfer function is equal to 42.25 divided by s into s plus 6.5. The unit step response of the system starting from rest will have its maximum value at a time equal to dash, right? Let us see. So what they have given? They have given forward path transfer function. Clear? Then what they ask? When that will be start maximum, right? Let us see that. Okay. So g of s they have given g of s equal to 42.25 divided by s into s plus 6.5. Clear? So we find this is equal to g of s c of s divided by r of s. Clear? So it is a unit step input, so r of s equal to 1 by s. This implies c of s equal to 1 by s square. I bring r of s right hand side, so it will become 1 by s. 42.5 into s plus 6.5, right? So I substitute r of s value is equal to 1 by s here, and I brought here, right? So I get c of s is equal to 1 by s squared 42.25 divided by s plus 6.5, right? So now I take passive fraction, that is equal to a by s plus b by s squared plus c by s plus 6.5. If you simplify it, what you get is a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 6.5, and c is equal to 1. So it is plus 6.5. Now I got c of s. Now what is my c of t? C of t is equal to inverse Laplace transform. Laplace transform of 1 by s nothing but u of t, inverse Laplace. Inverse Laplace of 1 by s squared is, we know it is t into u of t. So 6.5 t into u of t. Now inverse Laplace of 1 by s plus 6.5 is nothing but e power minus 6.5 t. Now we found c of t, right? Right, what they ask is when it will have a maximum value, right, at time equal to, right? Maximum value occurs when at a steady state, right? So maximum occurs at a steady state. Steady state. In steady state, t is equal to infinity, t tends to infinity. So what is the maximum value? So we have to substitute t is equal to infinity here. So this is not a problem, but you see 6.5 into t. When you substitute instead of t is equal to infinity, total answer will become infinity. So this is 0, right? So what is my answer? My answer is infinity. Option D is the right answer. Next one, a unit impulse function is obtained from the differentiation of unit impulse. We know that unit impulse has only one impulse. Fine. So how we can obtain, this is a general equation, del of t is equal to d by dt of u of t. This is well-known formula. So unit impulse is obtained by differentiation of unit step. Option B is the right answer. Next one, a system has the following transfer function. Find the type and order. What is type? Type is nothing but a number of poles at the origin. How many poles are origin in this equation? Poles or origin is given by simple s factor. So power of s, simple s. So what is the pole? How many poles are lying? It is power 4. So we are having 4 poles are lying at origin. So the type is 4. Right? Okay. What about order? Order is the total power of the denominator. Total power of the denominator. This is 4, this is 1, this is 2. So sum it up. So 7. So type is 4, order is 7. Right? So type is given by number of poles lying at the origin. Order is given by order of the denominator. Right? So this is simple question. Right? So 4 and 7. Next, which of the following system is referred as anticipatory control? We know that it's a direct question. Derivative control is known as anticipatory control because it sends a control signal in expectation of error, right? So derivative control always expects the error and sends control signal before that. So that's why it is called anticipation controller. So the answer is option C, right? So that's all about this session. If you are having any doubt, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.